everyone. Hope you all are fine and you all are preparing well at home. Try to do well on your own, and for any help you need it, please come back to us. Now onwards, I will be available. You can ask me any doubt. Apart from that, I thought to come to you with one idea of the most important topics of physics for NEET. So in the NEET examination we get 45 questions for physics. So that I analyze past 15 years of all the various entrances of medical exam. So whatever medical entrance exams were happened till now for the past 15 years, all the question papers I analyzed, and finally I took out the 45 most important topics for NEET. And if you properly understand, if you properly follow all those 45 lectures, and if you practice questions based on those lectures, similar kind and based on the similar formulas, then definitely you will get minimum of 100 marks in physics. But what is the thing you required is, there are three things important in learning everything, any subject. That is, listen and then revision and then practice. So it's all about target NEET physics with 45 lectures, just 45 lectures. One lecture may be 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depends on the topic. But follow these 45 lectures, understand them, come back to me for any doubt on WhatsApp. I'll clarify all your doubt, anything related to our physics NEET syllabus. So, but follow the lecture, listen to the lecture, try to understand. If there is any doubt, come back to me. But once you understand, make a clear note and revise all the things whatever you understood. Revision is most important, so that you will get all your clarifications. Once you get the clarity, then go for practice. Whatever you have learned and whatever similar models you have, then definitely you will get the 100 marks in NEET physics. So please take care of these 45 topics and follow these lectures carefully. And I'm sure definitely these lectures are going to help you a lot. And just go with a full focus, concentration, and try to always follow these three things for each and every lecture. So this is what I thought, like I can come to you in a better way, because people say that, especially who are preparing for medical entrance, they say that we are lagging in physics. So I thought it will be a good idea to give you some confidence by taking out some most important topics and how to solve the questions based on them, and what kind of questions will be asked in the entrance point of view. So that is what my sincere effort. So, and I guess and I hope that will help you a lot. So if there is anything more required, so please tell me, so that I can do my level best, and I'll try more than my level best. Thank you so much. Last but not least, stay safe by staying at home. So prepare well. All the best for your future, for your lovely life ahead. Thank you.